What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you all of my toy guns, and this one is really like my favorite. It's like you put it back, like you cock it back, and then it shoots like this. Except it doesn't shoot anything, but it's still a pretty cool gun. It was about like $1 at Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree is meant for everything to be $1. Alright, so let's get to everything else. The next gun is my toy cowboy cap gun. It does have like these caps, but they're not like water bottle caps, like any kind of normal caps you would ever see in real life. But this one, like, you open this up, you put this open, you put a huge round of this taping thing, then put eyes or shoot. If you cock it back and you don't want to make any more noise, you just shoot like that, and you hold back on that, and you put it up like that. Awesome. And also, I got a new gold fidget spinner. So, let me get one more gun. Alright, so this one doesn't fire anything. It's a Minecraft gun. So basically, guys, that's all of it, but I still do have more. I just can't find it. This isn't really a gun. It's a snowball blaster gun. So, like, you pull this thing back, and when you pull it back, notice how that comes back? That's going to be the snowball. You pull it back, and once you fire at somebody with your aim, they're like, ugh. So, basically, let's get back to the noises they make. So, I'm getting this one. I'm going to change you guys'. Alright, change the view for you now. Basically, you kind of get the idea. It's like a chainsaw. Hold on, let me hold it down with my feet. Oh. Okay, now let's get back on to the Minecraft gun. What? I just remembered. It's foam. It can't make any noise, but this, when it comes back with the thing, it has like fire shooting out. But here. And what's this? You guys all know. Alright, guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Goodbye. Peace.